By the end of this short 5-minute video, you're going to know the difference between an automatic targeting PPC campaign and a manual targeting PPC campaign. And I'm going to tell you which one you should be using for your product and why. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay guys, so firstly, let's talk about the similarities between the two campaign types, and then we'll move on to the differences. Now, when it comes to similarities, there's only really two. Number one, when you create either an automatic PPC campaign or a manual targeting PPC campaign, for both campaign types, you choose which product or products you want to target in those campaigns. The second similarity is that for both campaign types, Amazon is going to show your ads in two main placements. The first placement is in the search engine results, and then the second placement is on product detail pages. And by the way, guys, the way that you know that these product listings are actually ads is because they have the little sponsored badge that shows above or below the ad. So in terms of similarities between the two campaign types, that's pretty much it. So now what I want to focus on is the differences between the campaign types. And I want to start off by looking at automatic PPC campaigns. So when setting up an automatic campaign, unlike manual campaigns, you don't get the choice of lots of different campaign types. There's just one that you can choose. Also, unlike manual campaigns, you don't tell Amazon where you want your ads to show. Instead, Amazon chooses where to show your ads. So what will happen is the Amazon algorithm will look at your product listing, it'll look at the images, or look at the text and so on, and Amazon will decide which search terms to show your ad on in the search results and which ASINs to show your ad on. Now, because there's only one type of automatic campaign and because Amazon chooses the targets for you, automatic campaigns are much quicker and easier to set up than manual targeting campaigns. However, because Amazon chooses the targets for you, what you tend to find is that Amazon actually targets a broad range of targets, and a lot of those are actually irrelevant to your product. So as a result, automatic targeting campaigns tend to be more expensive and have a slightly worse ACoS than manual targeting campaigns. So that's automatic targeting campaigns. Now let's look at manual targeting campaigns. So when you create a manual targeting campaign, unlike automatic campaigns, you have a choice of lots of different campaign types, and the main two are keyword targeting campaigns and product or ASIN targeting campaigns. Now, with keyword targeting campaigns, you tell Amazon what keywords you want them to show your ad on, what keywords you want them to target in that campaign. With product targeting campaigns, you tell Amazon which ASINs you want them to target in that campaign. So instead of Amazon choosing where to show your ads, you're telling Amazon where you want them to show your ads. Now, I'm going to digress slightly for a minute because this is something that's really important to understand as a new advertiser. When you create a manual keyword targeting campaign, Amazon is not only going to show your ads in the search results, they're going to show your ads in the search results and on product detail pages. The same goes for when you create a manual product targeting campaign. Amazon's not going to only show your ads on the ASINs that you enter, they're also going to show you ads in the search results. So why does Amazon do that? Well, I don't know, it's just the way that it works, but it is something that's really important to understand because most new advertisers don't actually understand that. So for example, if you advertise on one ASIN, your ad will show on that product detail page. Amazon's algorithm will then look at all of the keywords in that page and also show your ads in the search results of related keywords to that ASIN. Now, even though Amazon does that, because you are picking the target in a manual campaign, they're more targeted and less broad than automatic campaigns, and as a result are almost always cheaper and have a lower ACoS than automatic campaigns. So then the next question is, which one should you be using? And I guess you're probably saying, well, Luca, obviously we should be using manual targeting campaigns because they're cheaper and have lower ACoSs. And you would be right, but you'd also be wrong. What you should really be doing is using both automatic and manual targeting PPC campaigns. And let me tell you why. Manual PPC campaigns are great at targeting keywords that you have found and that you know are relevant to your product. But the issue with them is that you're never going to be able to, no matter how well you do your keyword research, you're never going to be able to find every single relevant keyword for your product to target in those manual campaigns. And as a result, you're going to miss out on loads of relevant keywords which you're not targeting. And that's where automatic campaigns come in. What Amazon's going to be doing with automatic campaigns is just testing your ad on loads of different keywords. And then what you'll find is loads of those keywords are not relevant and are going to perform really badly, but some of them are going to perform well. And some of those keywords that are performing well, you would have not found in your keyword research. You would have never thought would be related to your product, but it turns out that they are and they perform well. And then you can take those keywords from your automatic campaign and target them in a more specific, targeted way in your manual campaigns. So what you want to be doing is using manual campaigns to target all of the keywords you know are relevant to your product and you found when you were doing your keyword research, and then also use automatic campaigns to discover new keywords that perform well for your product that you can then target in your manual campaigns. So guys, I hope you found the video useful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and make sure that bell icon is turned on so you never miss a video. Also give the video a like and let me know in the comments what videos you'd like to see next, and I will see you in the next one.